Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you on how you can create courses, quizzes and lessons on SMACE website platform. The moment you registered on this website, you said you want to become a teacher and your request came through, you are accepted as a teacher. You just need to go, you log in. Either you log in through here using a profile, or you go straight to the home page where you log in as a staff member. Immediately here you put in the username that was created, which you created for yourself, and password. There you are. So immediately here you can create a new course. So these things on your left are your options, are things that you can do as a lecturer or as a teacher. So here you put in the name of the course. For example, you can say development studies. And say if it's offered under the diploma. You can also include, maybe you can also include the code. For example, if it's D this, then here you give an overview of the course. This course, for example, is offered to all first year students. It's an education program, which means it's compulsory. Then there, which department, which section, it's education section. On the category you click, don't forget. Then here where you put now the actual content on the curriculum. So on curriculum there's a positive sign here. You first start with unit 1. You click enter if you're using a laptop. Even if you're using your phone, immediately click enter. Then there the lesson has been created. Then you do the description of that. What is unit 1? Unit 1, for example, is an introduction. It's an introduction to development studies. Then after you are done with lesson 1, should be able to now include, you've seen here option for including a quiz after you're done with lesson 1. So there you can include now a quiz question. So there it is, quiz 1. Once you do that, you can go and create the next lesson 2. Under lesson 2 you enter, it's created. Once you do that, you create a quiz This is quiz 2. So every after, just like the way we do for distance when preparing the modules for distance, this is the same way you do, it's the same concept we do when uploading for this e-learning platform. So this is what you do. Then, for example, if you don't have questions for this quiz and it is prepared somewhere in the question bank, you just go and select the item. So for example, if there is a question somewhere here, you can easily pick it. So because here is showing empty, that means you just need to create this particular quiz by clicking. So let's first start with quiz 1, or we can also just do in lesson. Just in lesson there, you click on the button which is showing a pencil for you to go and now create the actual content that is found in that quiz. There it is. So for lesson 1, this is now where you can now paste. So I believe you should have a prepared document somewhere. Should have a prepared document. I advise people to be preparing things in advance. So for example, here it is. So in the quiz question, for the quiz that is found for lesson 1, this is where you can create now a question. You can start. For example, what is development? Then once you enter what is development, so if you want this question, or if you want this particular question to be answered whether true or false, or if it's a multiple choice kind of question, or if you want a single choice, or something that needs to be filled in the blank where somebody has to write in there and there. These are the options which we can do. So in this case, we are saying maybe let's have this question where somebody can write some form of thing. So this is the blank page that is created for that question to be answered. Then here you can put the how many points for this question. So for example, if it's 5 marks, you can put 5 marks. Hint, if you want to give a student a hint on how to answer the question, you can do that. Then here, this is where now you give an explanation of what development is. So here you can explain so that it can match with the answers. So you can put development is blah 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 blah. You're done. Then you go and create the next question, question 2. So question 2 you can put is Kasama, or is Mbada a town center, or is Mbada a town? Is Mbada a developed town? This should be a question. That should attract something like true or false. So in this case, true or false. then do it in the answer. In this case I'll say it's false. Then this should have 2 marks. Then I'll explain why. Mbara is not developed. I'll just put Mbara has bad roads. So this is what you can put. Then immediately you do that, you can come here, you put the duration for these questions to be answered. So since there are 2 questions, you can say you can finish them in 10 minutes, or you can actually put 8 minutes if you want. Then the passing grade, you can put it at 80 or 100. Then the other thing you can do, other options you can do is you can plan to retake this same quiz if you fail. Maybe for example you can just put maybe this person, if you fail they can retake at least once, those that you do then afterwards you should be able to save this quiz number 1 for lesson 1. There, when you're done, say update. So this is how you can create a quiz for different lessons that are found inside WordPress. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.